food. Okay, let's go to the shop. All right, I can make it out of oak. Lots of oak. I could make it out of sherry. Curved as can be and potato chipped, but it would work. Let's have some fun. $18 inches. Nope, one more. Doesn't make much difference, but 8. So that's how big the middle needs to be. That's where the line needs to go. That is where I want it to be. That is almost acceptable. Almost. Just a couple more shavings. There we go. There. How big a stack of napkins do I want? I want a stack that can be about there. So if that's the point, I need it to be. It goes. did get some squeak. It's only in the 70s. Oh, that's nice. Not so hot dog. Popsicle stick. More and more. Let's just go and do it. That's all she wrote, folks. When I see depressing creatures with a repossessing feature. Actually, going to do it this way because I need those to go over there. Visual desktop. Make it about that wide. So there's our other side. That. I want to make sure that side is level. So the groove is there. That is not visually level. 2 lines right there. Let's cut those down to depth. Yes, 0.9. Ta-da! Bit. another. You come down to there, and you come down to there. Where does that put us? Between there and there. Oh, I'll take it. Well, that's not too bad. Not exactly where I want it, but okay. Ah! Look, I fixed it. I need to duplicate this measurement, this measurement, there, pretty good. Not too bad. Sounds right. Cool. Except I rotated it wrong. We're out, we're out. It's coming out. Hey, we found a hole. A little chippy, but oh well. Hey! Oopsie daisy. Time for the awl. Poplar and awl. Now we've got it. there you have it. This was a lot of fun. It was kind of one of these things I just had rolling around my brain. I wanted to do a quick, simple project. We're doing a lot more picnics and things in the backyard, and so this will be very, very useful for that because it does get rather windy back there. So this will hold the napkins in place. The brass rods actually lift the napkins up, so if the wind gets underneath it, it wraps up around the beam and holds it in place, as well as making it much easier to grab. I just like the little design of it, and having these replacing the splines should make it much easier. If you do this with power tools, it would be done almost instantly. With hand tools, it takes a little bit more, and it was kind of fun to play with the extended brass splines. I learned a few things along the way, and I had a bit of fun. So I hope you like this. I'm sure there are lots of things I could do far better on this. Please let me know those down below. I learn a lot from the comments, so if you put comments down there, thank you for that. That means a lot. It does actually help out the channel, so if you want to help the channel, you like this, then throw a comment down there, hit the like, share, subscribe. You know how it goes. Those help the algorithm. They help the channel grow. Thank you for that. That means a lot. If you want to take it one step farther, there are a bunch of people scrolling over here. Those are the patrons on Patreon. Without patrons or members here on the channel, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer. So thank you. Without you, we wouldn't be here. You keep the lights on, you keep the projects going, and without patrons and Patreon, we wouldn't be here. So if you want to find out more about that, there's links to Patreon down below, or click the little join button. We have special perks for both. And I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. This is a seriously cool project. I mean, I'm a total fan of this one, and I really hope you were blown away by it.